Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Adam Moore, and welcome back to the More Money Investing channel. Now, I just want to get into it today because we are having a great day on the market, and I have a couple stocks that I want to talk about in just hopes that we can make a little money off them. It's all speculative. This is all for entertainment. My name's Adam Moore. I'm not a financial advisor in any way, shape, or form, but I've made a little money in the stock market, so I figure why not tell people what I do? It's not against the law unless I you know, claim that I'm a professional, and I'm not. So don't listen to what I say, but if you want to make some money, maybe listen to what I say or don't. I don't care. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. All right, let's get right into the video, guys. Alright guys, so what you'll see on the screen right now is a screenshot of where we're at for the day. Looking pretty good. I believe it's about 4 point something percent, so pretty good day. I'm enjoying that. But what I really wanted to get into is this satellite company that has been doing phenomenally over the last month, and I just want to talk about where I see it going in the next uh, I want to say 6 months, but this company's going to be growing for years and years to come. But I know people don't really have the attention span to wait years, so I'm going to give you a 6 month price target by the end of the video, and I think you'll be able to tell exactly where I feel about the stock by the time we get to the end. All right, guys, so Gillette Satellite Networks. Why am I showing you this? As you can see, it's having quite a huge run up today, and if I show you exactly when I got in about $9.45 and it's at $17.85. Adam, why are you showing me something that's already almost doubled? Because I see a lot of potential in this stock. Gillette Satellite Networks is one of the leading satellite companies for ground-based operations as well as end-to-end services. They are a very solid company. But what I want to talk to you guys is about the contracts that they have gotten on February 1st and February 4th. So let's go right over to those. So on February 1st, Gillette, it's actually a subsidiary of Gillette. I believe it's called Wavestream. They were actually awarded a $50 million contract to support the gateways for a low Earth orbit broadband satellite. As you can see, from February 1st to February 2nd, when the first contract was given, we see very little change. And then from February 2nd to February 3rd, we see very little change. So what is that? That is a two-day indicator of no change from when the original contract comes out. So then we hit to February 3rd and we see an immediate jump to nearly $13, which is pretty crazy. And that's just the one day. So I'm assuming that there was a lot of buildup going on with the not the anticipation for the contract, but the kind of the idea of what's going to happen once the contract is there. And as you can see, once kind of people started to see whether or not the stock was going to drop or not, we just had a pretty big blowout. And then we get to the February 4th. What was their contract given to them for? Well, Gillette was given a contract to create mission critical telecom systems for 29 of Peru's airports. Obviously, that is a big deal. And also what this means is that they are working with a government entity. And whenever a company starts working with a government entity, that just means cash flow is going to continue in your direction for the foreseeable future as long as your contract is still enacted, which I believe that this company will see a lot of continued support, which is why I'm showing you it at this price point right now. So one of the last things I want to talk about when we're talking about Gillette satellite networks is that they do have competitors in this market, and one of those competitors being Viasat, as you can see on the screen right now. And I just wanted to pull up the 1 month chart for them and Gillette respectively, as you can see as I kind of switch in between the two of them. It is a very, very similar trend that they are experiencing, which I think is just kind of what you're going to be seeing for the satellite networks as the 5G becomes more apparent throughout a lot of the companies. There's going to be a lot of gain. But I really wanted to bring this up because, as we can see, Viasat is a $56 company, and they did have a drop when COVID had originally started, and they are just starting to get at that level again where they are about even. I mean, they're still down 11.67% in the year, but they have recovered substantially from where they were at from the original drop. And I think that just goes to show the level of support that we're seeing for these satellite companies, especially because 5G is becoming more of a prominent event in the world as 2020 moves along. So I think we're going to continue seeing the growth to these companies, but I am trying to point out Gillette because it is the smaller of the two companies, which means it has the higher possibility to run up. So I'm showing you Gillette because I think it's one, a very strong company. I think it has a lot of things going for it. It just picked up two government contracts. That means it's going to have cash flow for a little while. And it is a smaller market cap company than Viasat. So in the long run, it has the potential, the higher potential to have a larger amount of run up, even though it has seen a larger run up than Viasat in the most recent year. But I think it would be unfortunate for someone to want to get into 5G or satellite stocks and not have Gillette as one of their top picks because it is something that I see having a lot of support in the future, as well as possibly breaking out and becoming as prominent as Viasat, if not more. It's obviously quite a bit of speculation, but this is a video for entertainment, so I'm going to say exactly what I want to say. And I really do think that Gillette has a lot going for it, and only time will tell. Alright guys, so I'm just trying to make sure the video doesn't go too long, so I'm just going to cut it off right there. I'll give you my price target for Gillette. For the next 6 months, I could see the stock hitting somewhere between $25 and $30. If it does hit between those times, I would say that you could safely take out some profit because you might see a downtrend once it hits between that $25 and $30 because there's going to be an extreme amount of resistance. If you can buy the stock somewhere within $15 to $16, ideally, it is at 18 right now, somewhere between 17 and 18. If you can get it down on a dip from 15, I think it is a great buy. I do see it hitting 30 in the future. And that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Try not to make this one too long. No one likes long videos, and I'm just going to drag it out if I keep talking. So I'm going to see you later.